How did you come into teaching profession, ma'am? Ma'am, and how do you face students' issues?
Kind of gadgets students are using in the classroom and the kind of technology students are exposed to.
Firstly, what are the key principles in finance, ma'am, that every individual be knowing in general?
And it is very important that they make tight budgets.
What are the potential risks and rewards of investing in stock market?
So equity is always a good bet, but have diversified investment.
Ma'am, and what is the role of entrepreneurs in developing India? Ma'am, and what are the most common mistakes people usually commit in terms of their personal finance management?
Your expenses should never exceed your income.
Ma'am, how can we stay so calm and composed?
It's a very interesting question.
What are the effective ways that students can manage their time to enhance their development?
This reduces their productivity, and apart from their curriculum, they need to take time for other activities also.
What is the role of teachers in bringing out the overall development of the students? Ma'am, does extracurricular activities add development to students?
Students who are active, in the other activities are the students who are placed first.
Ma'am, what are the common challenges students usually face during their academic career and how can they overcome them?
Create interest for the subject.
Yes.
Or if they can believe in themselves that they can do this, definitely they can overcome this challenge.
What is the right age for investment? Planning ahead or living in the moment? Economics or finance? Which investment you feel better, ma'am? Investment in economy or education? Ma'am, what are the changes you would like to suggest to the current generation?
So if you can bring that human experience in every activity that the student is doing, definitely this can bring a great change. Smallest change, as simple as saving one glass of water or planting one small plant, can bring a great change for the next generation.